Okay. Excuse me. Okay. What we have here is a truck bed mattress. I bought it on Amazon, and this is what it is. It's the original Airbedz Light truck bed air mattress. It comes with the instructions, repair kit, very high speed from Pittman Outdoors, a very high speed pump, electric air pump. Some more instructions, 3 different attachments for it. And by the way, the cord on the pump will reach all the way into my truck. I have a full-size 2002 Dodge Diesel short bed, and that's what I bought this for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unfold it and show y'all if it fits nice and tight, which I think it will, and see just how, if this thing's all it's cracked up to be. Okay, I'm going to pause, and I'll be right back when I get ready to get that thing aired up. Alright, I have put the air pump in the truck. Looky there. First little problem. Would you believe that? Alright. I'm back there, and I got this pump that was underneath the mattress. Operator error. And you can see this thing comes out about a foot past my tailgate. There you go, there's a better picture of it. So it can reach all the way back. Full-size truck, short wide, 2000 Dodge Diesel. Okay, I'm gonna hook up the pump now and see how long it takes. Be right back. Alrighty, I'm fixing to turn this on, and I'm gonna make y'all sit through, see how long it takes now, and show y'all how long this thing to get fully aired up. Move the bed just a little bit so it would pop up above the wheel wells, and you can see why it's doing it itself. Filling it up pretty good. Okay, that ought to do it right about there. I'm going to turn the thing off. And I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, I paused it, pulled that out. By the way, they also give you three of the connections. I'm using this one, of course, to go in there. I didn't take the black thing out because of I'm fixing to take everything back down. But that's where it only took us like maybe 2.5 to 3 minutes. Exactly, I should say. You can check on the time on the video, because that'll tell you exactly. But it wasn't no more than 2.5 minutes to 3. Given the time to walk in the house, look at the clock, and come back out, it was in between 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 3 minutes. But that's aired up. See how good it fits. Guys, I'm gonna like this. Ladies, chillins, my wife and I are gonna go to Colorado in August. I bought a truck tent to go with this, and we're gonna stay right in the truck, up off that ground. It ought to be nice. I'm really liking this product. I got it on Amazon. I do a lot of business with them on Amazon. And this thing is tight up in there. It's not moving any. I mean, that's to say something. I'm gonna pause and jump up in here and see how it feels. All right, guys, I'm laying on it. The bed, and here's over by the wheel well. Now I'm leaning right in and it kind of pulls away, so I won't know much about that until I get on flat ground and see how everything works with my mate beside me. But it's comfortable. Turn it around, show everybody how close we are. I got my head up on the deal just to rest it on for now. But I'm liking it. Alrighty, I'm gonna crawl out of this thing and get a couple more seconds of video and go from there. I'm gonna back outside looking at it. I really like it. That was comfortable. Maybe a little bit of the air of the wheel well could be better, but like I said, I'm not sure how it's going to work with 2 people. So far, so good. Alrighty, I'm going to pause and put that and see how long it takes for that little pump to drain this also. Okay, here we go. it, guys. I'm going to turn this thing off. And there you have it. Up, real time. Down, real time. I think I'm going to like it, guys. I think it's going to be comfortable in the mountains where it's nice and cool. Unlike where we are in Texas and it's 101, 102 degrees. So, there is the bag that this thing goes in. Of course, that we all know once you get all the stuff out from the original box, you can never put it back in the bag, and it's always too big. Well, I'm going to show y'all if it's too big or if I'm able to do it by myself out here and get it back in that bag, which the bag's a good size. Alright, let me give this a shot and I'll show you if it goes in or not. Hopefully it will. All I've done is fold itself on itself, into itself, and see if it goes up nice and tight. Is it gonna fit? Doesn't look like it. It went in, guys. It did not look like it was gonna fit, but it did. I'm gonna detach everything and put it in along with it. It has enough room in there to put parts in it. It came with it, the cord and the pump. That's the deal right there. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.